Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be using my kit which is called Valentine's Walk PDF. So I'm going to show you guys how you would use these stickers like from a PDF digitally in your digital planners. So first off, I'm just going to have these date stickers. So I'm just lassoing around the dates that I want. I'm cropping it, copying and pasting into my planner. And that's as simple as it is, guys. So that's all you can see me doing here, and I will show you again with another one. This is Tuesday, just lassoing round, copy and paste it into the planner and crop it down to size and putting it in the planner. So that is how I would do all my stickers digitally via a printable. You can do this digitally if we want to, or you can print it out and you can cut it out and use it in your normal planners. As simple as that. Now, just to make this video a little bit quicker and not as long, I have like sped up the video and cropped most of that out, but I wanted just to show you guys how you would use these printables as digitals in your digital planners. It is possible, and that is how I would basically do it. So I'm just doing all my days here, and I do just finish this off, and I decided to make them bigger and cover the original numbers so that I could use my numbers. So I'm just going to make this washing out, and I'm just putting it along the top of my planner page. Now I'm just going in with my date numbers. Now, because as a PDF, these are not PNGs. So if these were PNGs, they would not have any background colour, but they are PDFs, so it does have the white background colour on it. I wasn't too fussed anyway, I was keeping a little bit of white space anyway, so I just size it down so that it's really, really small and put it next to the date of the week. And that's how I would use these numbers. So now I'm just going in with all my full boxes first. Now I prefer to do this because I'm quite like, I like to have like all the pictures and stuff in my planner, and I like to make it look really, really pretty and stuff. So I use all my full boxes, and this is normally how I space it out, but I do change it up. But today we're doing it like this, so we're doing it in a kind of diagonal fashion. And again, just the same way we would use any of the other ones, we're just basically lassoing around it, taking a screenshot and then copying and pasting it into your planner, and then just cropping it down to size. So this is how I've got this little layout. I do change it up a little bit and kind of move it all around. That is the good thing about being able to use these digitally, because you can just delete them if you don't want it, or you can take it and move it elsewhere without actually having to rip it off a page. I remember when I used to get loads of kits and stuff, and I still have them and I still love doing it, but I don't do it as much. I prefer doing like this digitally now. Used to, like, if I messed up or if I'd put a sticker down wrong, I would have to peel like all the sticker up and stuff, and then it wouldn't be sticky, and it was just, oh, it was a nuisance. So yeah, this is why I absolutely love doing digital planning and designing my pages like this, because it's just a matter of hitting a button and deleting, or moving it about, or changing the sizes or anything like that. So it's so much more funner, and I'm just loving that you can use these kits now digitally as well. So this is just a little rundown of basically how I would do my weekly spread. So I'm just going with these weekend stickers now. I do have a weekend sticker in my kit, but the reason I'm not using it is because I could not be bothered putting it into a PNG to transfer it over again, and I knew that I had these weekend stickers, so that's why I was doing it like that. So I'm just incorporating some of these stickers here that I would use in my daily life. So I'm using some of like the meal planning ones, because some days I can be quite picky and I really need to know what I'm making if we're like busy or if we've got gymnastics and stuff. And quite a lot of the times it's good if we've got these kind of stickers, so then we can keep track of what we're eating, and same with fitness and stuff as well. So here you can see that I'm just moving about and changing about this washi tape here, and I decided to put a little February sign in here and a happy Valentine's sign along the top as well. That's what I absolutely love about this, is you can change it up as much as you want, add any stickers that you want, and like, you're not ruining like actual paper. So as you can see, I'm just playing about with this, and ever so often I'm just changing it up, moving things about. This is my little sidebar, so I'm just adding a little water tracker here because I'm definitely trying to drink more water and I'm doing pretty good at it. Just adding some of these little glitter boxes. The other good thing about digital planning is you can actually type on your pages instead of actually trying to handwrite. If you don't like your own handwriting and stuff, then you can type on it, which just makes it so much easier and quicker. With these little deco pieces, you will have to crop around them kind of freehand, but I'm keeping it on the white areas of my planner so it doesn't look as bad. But if you are going to be layering it on top of something, you are going to have that white background because it's a PDF, so it's probably best to actually transfer it into a PNG if you are going to be like layering it up and stuff. But because I'm just putting it on the white parts, it doesn't look as bad. Adding these little love hearts, and that is basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is my week of Valentine's and this is what it looks like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.